Hello everybody, it's Naomi Victoria and welcome to my evening routine. It's been a really long time since I've done one of these and my evenings are a little bit different at the moment. I'm mostly spending them around at my boyfriend's house, but he is an amazing cook, so I can't complain. So I'm just finishing up my work for the day, a little bit of editing, posting on my Instagram, and if you're new to my channel, by the way, don't forget to hit subscribe down below and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And also over on Instagram, I'll link my Instagram down below. I just did my first reel on there and I can't wait to do more fashion ones, and I've also done a festive Harry Potter one which I am so excited to show you guys, so I'll be sharing that very soon. So once I finished, it's time to pick up my boyfriend and head on over to the shops to get some groceries and have a look at all the new in homeware and stuff. It always rains when we go to Sainsbury's. I have no idea why, but it's been that way for months now, and we only do this once every so often, but let me just tell you, this is the highlight of our week. It's very 2020, there's not much else to do. We love going to the supermarket. There it is, proud sister moment. My sister's recipe, these donuts, is on the front of a magazine in Sainsbury's. How cool is that? And don't they look absolutely adorable? Once we're back from the supermarket, we just give the cat a quick little meal, isn't she cute, and head on over to the gym. And my leggings and socks are both by Adenola. I've only just discovered this brand and I am absolutely obsessed. Hands down, best leggings I've ever worn. So today was leg day. I just did a warm up on the cross trainer, did a few of these leg presses, and then did a few calf raises, and I was struggling to walk for about 3 days after. And then it's back home to make dinner with HelloFresh. So if you've never had HelloFresh, this is what the boxes come like. They're actually quite heavy because they're full of ingredients, and we've got 3 different meals in these. So we've got a red Thai style chickpea curry, a cheesy chipotle bean quesadillas, and creamy and plant-based chicken with spring onion mash. So let me know what you guys think my boyfriend chose for our meal tonight, and I will show you what's in the boxes. It's literally like opening up a big Christmas box full of food. So we've got the plant-based chicken over there. It actually came in these recycled plastic insulated packaging to keep everything cool, which I really like, and everything's perfectly portioned out. You've got just enough of everything that you need, and obviously little condiments over here, some sauces, some garlic. These garlic breads just looked too amazing. I couldn't pass up on those. I also added some sourdough cobs there as well. We've got some avocados. So the one that he chose for tonight is in fact the red Thai style chickpea curry. It's got all the ingredients listed there, so let's get cooking.
It's terrible chopping. rice?
The rice is the best bit, for sure.
It's fluffy.
This was actually my first time trying Thai. I get very nervous trying new food. I don't really know what it is. I think it's like a comfort zone thing. And as soon as I smelt the lemon, I was a bit put off, but it tasted absolutely stunning. I am so glad I tried it. I will definitely be making this again. Look at you. Okay, moving on into the bathroom to effectively take the day off. I'm going to be taking my makeup off using the Glossier Milk Jelly Cleanser. I think the packaging drew me into this one, but it actually turned out to be one of my favourite cleansers. I've been using it for months now, and I love it. I've also got a Glossier affiliate link down below, so I'll leave that for you guys. I think you get 10% off, maybe. As I say, that'll be down in the down bar, but this is me taking my makeup off, and it's so satisfying. And to brush my teeth, I'm going to use my brand new toothbrush. I got this in HomeSense the other day, and it's made of silicone. I'm very aware that it's really weird looking. It looks kind of like an alien probe. As you change the vibration intensities, it changes sound, and you can play little tunes on there. My boyfriend played a Lord of the Rings song on my toothbrush the other day, and it was so, I cried laughing. It was so funny. I try and take baths about once a week, and in my bath today I've got the Lush Snow Fairy Bath Bomb, which is my favourite scent ever, and I'm also going to wash my hair using the Bondi Boost HG shampoo and conditioner. If anyone knows what the HG stands for, please let me know. I have no idea. And finally, my last little bit of skincare using the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity, and this is a night gel cream. It's lovely and thick and rich and silky on your skin. I absolutely love it. So that was my evening routine, guys. I really hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to subscribe down below if you're new so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Follow me over on Instagram, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye everyone.